It's a lovely, lovely Monday. Hope everybody's fine. Hope everybody's good. Greetings, one. Greetings, all. And welcome to Poetic Port in the Park. Da-da-da-da-da. Drum roll, please. Hope you are doing well, and I hope you are fantastic. It's Monday, the 12th of May. It's Monday, the 12th of May, and it's a fabulous day. As you can hear, the chirping in the back, men walking behind, cars, road. Lovely park. So get outdoors and enjoy the sun. Fabulous word. Get outdoors and enjoy the sun. Ready from our fabulous book again, May 12th. It has no cover, but I'll be reading from May 12th, which is The Owl and the Pussycat. The Owl and the Pussycat. Mommy Tupac, how are you? Good to see you. So definitely subscribe, follow us on TikTok and Facebook, support each other if you like it. So this is the book I'm reading from today. But I've also got other books which I want to share with you as well. So I've got Khalil Gibran. If you like Khalil Gibran, it's a book about his masterpieces. But how can we be a book club and don't have books? And how can we have love poetry and don't have books about poetry, isn't it? So, but yeah, so I must have book. This is good. It's brand new and it's fabulous. Has most of his poems in here. So if you like Khalil Gibran, you can have a look through, peruse through. There is a contents. It's not very clear about all the poems. It's just general contents, but they are much more insight here. At the back, there is no index. But you're gonna find a poem you like, isn't it? And then you read. That is Khalil Gibran. Alright. That is Khalil Gibran. Can you see him? Yeah, sorry about my lighting. It's quite. The sun is not. It's coming though. I'll be there in a minute. You know. So that's Khalil Gibran for you. And I've got Wordsworth Poetical Works. So this is a book by Poetic Works of Wordsworth. The cover is gone. Old classic book. But you've got Wordsworth. So I'm guessing it's William Wordsworth. Is that? So fabulous. Look at all this. Look at all these contents in here you've got. Look at that beauty. So all these are content and much more. It's more detailed. It gives you all the page numbers and everything in there. Wordsworth. So beauty of books is that you can have a copy because it's on the internet and it's you have no internet access. Then you have a copy, hard copy. So that's the benefit of books. Hi, Esnamati, how are you? You good? So this is a good book for poetry. Wordsworth Poetical Works. Yeah. Wordsworth Poetical Works. It's an old classic written in all languages, as you're gonna see. So we got a whole words. So make us legit as a book club and also who love poetry. I can love poetry and don't have the classic books or literature. I hope that helps. I was asking, how come we have this? Yes, we have the books. It's So the books that we're gonna read from. So we got just 3 books to be honest. So, and this one. So these is plenty of words. I think we've got another one, but amongst these 3 books, we have a lot of poetry in here. So if you think you can't write, that's okay. Come and use this book as well. Is that alright? So that is for you, definitely. So you can come join us and we can read this book. How about that? Is that good? So yeah, today, so we read every Monday is poetry at the book club. So this book has poems for 366 days. So a poem for each day. So I just go for the Monday. When I go to the date, it's not a Monday, but I go to the date which the Monday is on. So today is Monday the 12th, so I look for May 12th. And I get the owl and the pussycat. The owl and the pussycat. Alright. So we get the owl and the pussycat in this book. So this is the book I'm going to read from. The owl and the pussycat. Can you see that? Keeping it for a bit so you can know that. All of that's about the life. Owl and the pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took some honey and plenty of money, wrapped up in a 5-pound note. All looked up to the stars above and sang to a small guitar. Oh, lovely pussy, oh, pussy, my love, what a beautiful pussy you are. You are, you are, you are the beautiful pussy you are. Pussy said to the owl, you elegant fowl, how charmingly sweet you sing. Oh, let us be married. Too long we have tarried. But what shall we do for a ring? Hmm. They sailed away for a year and a day to the land where the Bong-Tree grows, and there, in a wood, a Piggy-wig stood, with a ring at the end of his nose. His nose, with a ring at the end of his nose. Dear pig, are you willing to sell for 1 shilling your ring? Said the piggy, I will. So they took it away and were married next day by the turkey who lives on the hill. They dined on mince and slices of quince, which they ate with a rancid spoon, and hand in hand, on the edge of the sun, they danced by the light of the moon. The moon, they danced by the light of the moon. May 12th, by Edward Lear, born in London of Danish ancestry. That was a good book, was it? It's the book I'm reading from for the day, so those who love poetry, let me know on the comments below what your thoughts are. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know, do you like the poem? Is it relevant? The words were different. Different words used, but All in the Pussycat by Edward Lear. That's for May 12th this year. Thanks for joining, Aquana. Dafira, how are you? Good to see you guys. Yeah? So definitely, if you like poetry, that's May 12th of the day. So I'm reading from poem for the day. 366 poems, old and new, worth learning by heart. That was May 12th. The Owl and the Pussycat. What are your thoughts? Are you a poet? Do you like poetry? You want to recite a poem? Let me know. Definitely come on. So that's the book which we're reading from. But we also have other books which we use. I'll be delving more into Khalil Gibran for those who love Khalil. He's a fabulous poet with different books words written before. So I'm going to use Khalil Gibran to be my guest. Hello Gail, how are you? So Khalil is awesome. So we've got that one as well. And we've got Wordsworth. So I'm looking for a couple more. But these three are quite a handful. But being a poet and in book club, we also need to read books and also to have the copies of books. One is legit, and two, need copies in case they take it offline. Sometimes they're online, but I don't need to go online to read for the book. So that's the book I'm reading. So, thanks for coming in, guys. Thanks for coming in. Yeah. Share the live if you like it. Share the live. Thank you. Comment below where you're watching from. Let me know. So what are your thoughts on the poem? Did you like it? The Owl and the Pussycat? Well, nowadays no language has changed, so the word means something else. And if you speak it out loud in public, it might mean something else. So be careful when you go ahead. I challenge you to actually perform this poem live. Actually, nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it's just people's language, ideologies. Why not? So definitely think about the poem and read through. But if you want more as well, there's a lot more poems that we can read in here. You know Khalil Gibran, one of the world's most treasured authors. And this enriching collection includes some of the best stories and poems. So this one has some of the stories and poems. If you like Khalil, definitely. My best one is Defeat. That's one I like. Defeat. My Khalil Gibran. Hi user. You okay? Thanks for coming in. Millie Flaherty, how are you? So definitely, if you want Khalil Gibran, so how best to start a Monday or the week with poetry? Start the week on a positive tone, something nice you want to read in the morning, then begin your day like that. So the sun is coming closer. I was in the shade, so maybe now you can see me a bit. So let me move my camera a bit. The sun is coming. You can see me in the sun. Better? Yeah, so definitely, yeah. So definitely if you want to read through. The one I haven't read through yet is this one. Wordsworth poetical works. So next time I'm gonna go for this book. It has poems, has everything in here. My goodness me. Poems on naming of places, the fate of the Nortons. I'm not making it up. So it's all in here. Hi Joe Getty, how are you? Sting Trust, how are you? Namla. So if you are a poet, hi Jesse. So definitely come in and let me know. Is that good?